Today we're going to answer the question whether the Syma X8C/X8W can handle a 4S battery. To achieve that, we're going to take the regular 2S battery and put it in series with another 2S battery. Here's the plug from the control board. We're going to connect the negative to the negative of the battery terminal. We're going to take the positive from this battery, connect it to the positive of, let's see, the positive, yes, the positive of the control board, if I could get it in there. Okay. And if you could see, positive from this battery is connected to the positive of the control board, the negative of this one is connected to the negative, and to complete the circuit I've got another plug that I'm going to connect the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative. Let's hold those off for a second. Just a little bit of playing around and we'll get this in there. Okay. So that's connected. So that's the complicated way of putting it all together in series. So now we can plug these two together, and what I want to do is measure how much current. So I'm going to take the red wire, put it with the red, black wire with the black. I'm going to set my multimeter for amps. Okay. So I've connected the black to the black and the red to the red so we can get some amperage readings. Now that that's all connected, let's go ahead and switch it on. And as you can see, it's accepting the power. So right now it's pulling 0.1819 amps from the batteries in series. So I've switched the setup to volts, and as you can see, it's still connected in series, and we're reading 15.18 volts. I don't have a fully charged battery, so it would be more if it was completely charged. It'd be 16 or more. So we're at 15.18 volts, and let's switch it back to amps. Okay, turn on our controller, and we're at a solid 0.18.19. Let's see what happens when we go with our motors. So on the lowest setting, it's at 2.3 amps at around 15 volts at the lowest setting. And I completely missed this on video. I really wish I got this. One of my capacitors just blew up. It just completely blew up. And I'm gonna take my camera because this is so, and it stinks in here, by the way. I'm gonna take my camera here and I'm gonna show you what happens when you run too many volts. That capacitor just exploded. Let me get you a better view. That capacitor just exploded. It sounded like a little BB gun or something going off. I don't know if you could see that. I disconnected power immediately. Take a look at that. Take a look at that capacitor. Just absolutely exploded. And the top of it flew off, and that's what's left of it. It flew off across the room. It hit the ceiling and flew across the room. Man, I am so pissed that I shut off the camera. But the capacitor completely blew up. So that's what happens when you run a 4S battery. Don't do it.